how to add proxy to Spotify PC easy and quick. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add this. First open your Spotify. Now click on your profile here in the top corner and click settings, then scroll down until you find here this one, proxy settings. And here you can change proxy type if you want to change anything you want here. And now just type anything you want here, and that's it. Then click restart app, and now I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.